How to fix laptop speaker crackling sound. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your laptop speaker's crackling sound issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here that you'll need to take is search for Device Manager in your device. So search for Device Manager and hit enter. After you search for Device Manager, there you will see your speaker's driver. So you can search for your speaker. It's under right here, sound, video and game controller. You can expand on that and there you will see your audio. So simply select your device's driver. If you double tap on it, it will open it up. Then here, head over to the driver section and disable your device. After you disable your device, you can then enable it again and then restart your computer, and that should fix your issue. If that does not fix your issue, what you'll then need to do is open up your control panel. So search for control panel, and after you find control panel, open it up. After you open it up, you can then view it by small icons, and after you view it by small icons, there you should see an option for sound. Tap on sound, and after you open it for sound, simply select your speaker. And now what you need to do is, there you will see different options. What you can do is you can head over to your advanced section, and after you're on your advanced section, there you should see an option that says enable audio enhancements. Simply turn it off and tap on apply and then tap on OK. After you disable all of your enhancements, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.